Out of whack. Understanding an English idiom. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, out of whack. This idiom is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and find out what out of whack means and how you can use it in your conversations. Out of whack is an idiomatic expression used to describe something that is not functioning properly or is out of order. It can be applied to both physical objects and situations. For example, if a machine is not working correctly, you might say, "The copier is out of whack." Similarly, if a plan doesn't go as expected, you could comment, "Our schedule is completely out of whack." The phrase, out of whack, is believed to have originated in the late 19th century. Whack was a slang term for share or portion. Over time, the phrase took on a new meaning, referring to something being out of order or alignment. Understanding the origin of the phrase can give you a deeper appreciation for its usage in modern English. To better understand how to use out of whack, let's look at a few examples. 1. My sleep schedule is out of whack since I started working night shifts. 2. The budget for our project is out of whack. We need to reevaluate our expenses. 3. After the earthquake, many buildings were out of whack and required inspection. Notice how the phrase can be used in various contexts, both literally and figuratively. There are several synonyms and variations of the phrase, out of whack, that you might hear, such as off-kilter, out of order, disarranged, unbalanced. Understanding these synonyms can help you recognize the phrase even when it's worded differently. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, out of whack, in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like this are a great way to add color and authenticity to your language skills. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English idioms like a native speaker. See you in the next video.